Today is a good day to take care of your digestion. If you're having a little difficulty, a little constipation, not going as regular as you ought to, not losing weight and feeling bloated, you're gonna take a lemon and the knife dull. Anyway, you're gonna take a lemon and cut it up. You're gonna cut the ginger. I have the ginger cut up in the plate already. And then you're gonna add the ingredients to some water. So this is the lemon and the ginger. Put it in the pot. Take some chia seed. You're gonna need like about a teaspoon, not a lot. This amount. Add that to it. If you have flax seed, do the same thing, about the same amount, 1 teaspoon. Put that in the pot. Then you're gonna, if you have turmeric, you'll need that as well. For the turmeric, not as much. Do about maybe half a teaspoon, but I'm just gonna use a scoop, put 2 of it. So maybe this is about half a teaspoon. And of course, you know, if you have turmeric, you always need a little black pepper. So just put a little black pepper in it. Let me get my water. Maybe about a cup. You put it to boil. Alright. And that's it. So after you boil that, you're gonna consume it. Here we go now. So there are 2 ways to this. You can either strain it, but I want to have the seeds. So all I'm gonna do is just take out the lemon, the pieces of lemon. And if you want a piece in your cup also, you can also do that, you know, no big deal. That's it, you know, guys. And that's your tea, and you have this. You will go to the bathroom, you will have a regular bowel movement, and you won't have the constipation and the bloating. So very good for your digestion. A really good mixture, guys, that helps your digestion, helps you to feel less bloated, gives a boost to your metabolism, and most of all, it will help you to become regular, so you won't have the constipation issues. Because remember, guys, you really don't need to be walking around with anything inside here that's not supposed to be in here, causing you to feel uncomfortable. Constipation has so many consequences, you know. You have the headaches. When you're constipated, your skin doesn't look as healthy as it ought to be. Your energy is low, and you feel really groggy, and you know, you're just bloated and you're uncomfortable. So take a little time, a little me time this morning. Yeah, the me time sometimes is not only about the outside, you know. Sometimes when we talk about self-care, people just focus on outward beauty. Yeah, that is good, but it starts on the inside. So really important for you to take the time and take care of your digestion and your digestive health this morning. So happy Sunday, everybody. And yeah, don't taste no way. All right, so for all of you who concerned about the taste, you can have it. You can give it a try.